Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Teams and signing in with your work or school account. That gives you access to chats tied to your org. Click New Chat, type the person's name, and add any extra participants to form a group. Use It Mentions to direct messages and attach files with the paperclip so everyone has context. Do this now to create a thread. It keeps conversations searchable and prevents siloed email. Once created, pin or mute the chat to control notifications. Once your chat exists, organize the conversation using formatting tools so messages are scannable and actionable. Bold, bullets, and code blocks help. Start an audio or video call directly in the chat when synchronous discussion is needed, or schedule a meeting from the thread for longer agendas. Share your screen to walk through documents, add tabs like files, or OneNote for persistent resources, and use emojis or reactions to quickly acknowledge messages without cluttering the thread. To close out, mute or hide chats you no longer need and bookmark key messages so you can return to decisions or links. When sharing files, make sure recipients have proper permissions. Adjusting OneDrive or SharePoint sharing settings fixes most access problems. If you encounter syncing, sign-in, or UI errors, switch between web and desktop, sign out and in, or clear the Teams cache to refresh data. If issues persist, restart the app and check your network connection before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.